Welcome back to Weekend Smile. Now, last year we spoke about his nomination at the Grammy, and today, reggae artist and Grammy nominee Blvk H3ro joins us via Zoom to share his experience with being a young reggae artist and spreading Jamaica's reggae culture internationally. But he was also nominated this year as well. So let me put that in as well, that the gentleman was nominated this year. Blvk H3ro, how are you doing? Welcome.
Blessings. Yo, I'm happy to be here.
No, so for the persons who don't know which category you were nominated in for this year's Grammy Award, tell them which it was.
The category was Best Global Music Performance.
Wow. And how did you manage to land in that particular category? And why not put the project up in, well, you don't, it's not the album, so it's a performance, right? So how did you manage to land in that?
It's a performance.
Yeah.
So it was like a single. It happened by, I guess, God and hard work and everything really aligning at the same time, because Rocky Duwani has always been, we've been always on each other's radar, whether through friends, family, or social media. And then when I landed in LA for my first US tour, we were just in the same area, the same space. He called me over, he played me the tune, and I didn't even think nothing of it. I was like, oh, I like the song. Let me just lay the verse and leave. And then a few months later, it was just nominated. We were all surprised. So I just feel like it was just just alignment of the stars. I don't even know what else to say, really.
No, I really think it was for sure, because for many Jamaicans, I think the announcement that you were nominated in the category made them more aware of who you are, for persons who may not have been aware of who you are and being a part of the reggae renaissance that happened with the entire movement of young reggae artists. So for persons who may not know who you are and the music that you're famous for, tell them the hottest song that they may have heard and did not know that you were the singer of.
From the other day, I saw news, looking at my phone. Probably the biggest song It Not Easy right now. That's the one I get the most feedback about. And Young Boss with Skilly Bang, you know what I mean? That's really what start the ball rolling. And, you know what I mean? It was, to be honest, this whole nomination thing really gave me the moment I was looking for, was the Prime Minister calling me, my friends, my family. Like, I just wanted everybody in Jamaica to realize, or even just see that, you know, there was just a youth from the ghetto, from Waterford, who can do this. Like, you know what I mean? It's not like something that's out of reach or something that you have to fake or try to put on. So when that moment happened, I really thought I already won. I was like, whoa, my phone couldn't keep charge. It was like every single person was just calling me. So I was like, it just felt grounded, you know what I mean? It felt like a grounding moment.
No, absolutely. And congratulations again for landing that. That's a big one for you already. You know, how has that now opened the portal for you to be known internationally, because you have been spreading reggae and Jamaica and the culture abroad? How has that helped you?
It has helped me immensely, like, because it wasn't even just being nominated alongside Rocky. Like, that was his third time and my first time, but I'm the first reggae artist to ever be nominated in a global category. So it's literally history. So for me, it was a whole different experience. It was like, wow, we're really creating history out here with just the resources we have and what we're able to just put out. So, man, everything has changed. Like, the shows have gotten more, as Fat Joe said, yesterday's price.
It's not today's price.
Definitely not today's price. But in a very humble way, I say that. You know what I mean? I don't mean it to say this is all about money, but it's good to see hard work pay off, and, you know what I mean? And you're able to just do a little more and do more work and help more people, you know what I mean? So it's just, and I didn't realize the magnitude of a Grammy or a nomination until it actually happened. Like, you know, I didn't know it's a powerful thing. Yeah. You know, it can help you with, in terms of even government, getting visas, all different type of stuff. It just makes you more recognized as a professional musician. So I'm just happy for that. You know what I mean?
You always had this very signature look, you know? I mean, you have the locks, so you always dress in your fashionable way, always something that stands out. How has that now worked for you, being international and doing the shows that you're doing? People automatically identify you as Jamaican when they see you?
Yeah, it's crazy. I'm like, how do you know? They're just like, I can see it. And then there was a next thing that was happening, like being in Jamaica, you know, a lot of people don't really tell me the vibes in the world, like if my music is out there. So I'm just approaching life like, when I came on my first American tour, I was like, all right, nobody knows me. I'm prepared to see like 5 people at the shows and build it up. But it was actually the opposite. Like, when I was coming out to the airport, people either recognized me from the Levi's ad, or when I did the food review show with Sonny, I'm walking down the boulevard. They're like, yo, I saw your show at San Fran. Yo, I saw
Wow.
you in Humboldt. So it really, the image really, I don't even like saying the image because this is how I really am. This hairstyle is really just me. It's hot. You know, my hair is, I have a lot of hair, and when I sleep, it's fighting me. My hair is trying to strangle me. So this was just a thing I used to just do to just keep my hair in one place, and then just end up becoming an identifier. And I'm so happy for it that it's so organic and I don't have to fake it or anything like that.
I
And
love
stuff
that.
like just putting my hair through a hat, it just makes it more creative, more unique because, you know, I have to big up Steel Pulse and David Hines because this is what he's known for. This was his iconic style, and I just kind of made it my own, you know.
Yeah, I
in
love that.
sense.
I love
So,
that. You mentioned tours, so we don't have much time left, but I want you to mention a little bit about the touring that you have been doing and your shows internationally. Tell us about that.
First US tour started in May of 2022, and I'm still going. We still have Cali vibes, and I've done over like 30 odd shows so far for my first run. So I feel real proud, and everything was just between me and my team and Delicious Vinyl. Ireland, they've been doing excellent work with just developing me and other artists like Runkus and Yardcore and others as well, you know what I mean? But I just wanted to just put them out there as well because it's not a one-man thing, it's a team effort, you know what I mean? And I have good friends all over the place too.
Yeah.
So the tour has been good, and we're still going. We're going to Cali Vibes next week, basically, if I'm not mistaken, and then South by Southwest. So we're just going through the states. Just every time I do a show, every time I'm like, yep, time for go back home. We get 2 more shows. We get 3 more shows. It's like reggae is just calling me, and anywhere it is, I'm there.
You better answer for sure. What's coming up for the rest of the year for you?
Oh man, starting the year with the Grammys, I have no idea what to say to you. Like, Debbie, this is like the last couple of months have been like a movie, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't even know how to explain it, but definitely new music for sure. A lot of collaborations. You know what I mean? I'm working with Shaggy right now. I'm working with, you know, just a bunch of people, working with Beyonce's producers, all kind of things. So
Wow.
I'm just have a lot in the work. That's why I'm just really taking my time with it. But when it's time for it to come out, it's gonna make everybody be like, wow, you know what I mean? Blvk H3ro has grown, you know what I mean?
Yeah, no, fantastic, and congratulations to you. For persons who have been following your journey since, I mean, your performances at very small shows around Kingston and everywhere that you could get the opportunity to now repping Jamaica and repping your music internationally. I'm really, really proud of you and the nomination. Congrats again. And please go back online because you have some people who used to love those videos and those lives that you were doing. So make sure that you keep that kind of connection online, all right?
Okay, straight. Thanks for that.
Yeah. All right. Big up yourself every single time. Reggae artist and Grammy nominee, guys, Blvk H3ro. We'll be right back with so much more on Weekend Smile. Stay with us.